In this session, I'm going to discuss a little bit fundamental of the programming language. So first thing I'm just going to discuss is identifier, right? So identifier is basically you know smallest part of your program, like name given to variable, right? Variable, method, class, package, etc is known as identifier. Guys with me?
Yes.
Identifier. Let me tell you, in Java, right, whatever word you write, all are the identifier. Got it?
Yes.
Simple.
Sir.
You would say, no, no, no. The way you are telling me is not, it's not understandable. Can you show me some example? Yeah. Like here I'm writing class, right? It is a word. Yeah. It is a keyword, right? Say yes.
Ye-
Yes.
Hello.
Yes.
Yes.
Here I'm writing hate, H-A-T, right? And in this, you have to tell me what are the identifier. Clear?
Mhm.
Every word, public, static, void, main, whatever I'm writing here, everything is identifier, right? Let me tell you. Oh, everything is identifier except, right? Whatever we write in double quotes. Hmm, aha, 111, I will kill you. Whatever it is in double quotes, that is not an identifier, right? So I have to highlight in this example, what I have to highlight? Please, can you help me? Identifier.
Identifier.
So in this, I told you, right?
Yeah.
Whatever I'm going to make, underscore identifier, right? Everything is identifier in this one. Curly bracket is not. This is actually, not identifier. Are you following me? This is, you can say
Yes.
this is a curly bracket, right? Symbol. But this identifier is class, head, public, static, void, main, string, everything identifier, right? Dot is
But,
not.
but
Dot is
Mr. Sir,
operator. Yeah.
I saw your video. It's you were telling before whatever is in caps lock is not identifier.
I said like that? No, that is keyword I talked about.
Oh, okay.
Keywords. Okay.
Okay. Yes, sir.
Got it? But
Yes.
whatever I'm writing inside the double quotes. Can you see this?
Yes.
Yeah.
This is what we're writing inside double quotes. It is not identifier. Please remember it.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Double quotes.
As outputs.
Yeah. In double quotes, whatever we write. Are you following
Outputs.
me?
Yeah.
Whatever we write, it is not identifier. It's clear? So identifier. I hope you understand this much.
Yes.
Yes. Yes.
And
Yes,
when
sir.
you are writing identifier, there is some rule. You tell me in month how many days are there? Normally 30 or
30.
35, 31.
30.
You know it, right?
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah.
So suppose 2 days we have holidays, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
So how you can remember it? You will remember like 2 days we have holiday, or you will remember like 28 days we don't have holidays.
By the
Which is
name, sir.
easy. You should remember 2 days we have
Two
holiday.
days.
Simple,
Yeah.
right?
Yeah. Yeah.
Similarly, in identifier we have to remember the rule, right? Which is not allowed. For example, identifier will never start with the digit. For example, can you see this? This is not identifier. It is wrong. Got it?
Yes.
Hello.
Yeah.
So first rule is
No
it
numbers.
it
Starting by
must
number.
not start with digit. Got it?
Yes.
Yes.
Second rule. Second is, can you help me? Second one is it should not have, it must not have, I would say. It must not. have spatial symbol, right? Except dollar. You got it? Dollar is allowed. For example, this is wrong or right? You have to tell me. A hash OP, right? Not valid. Not valid. Clear? But what about dollar? A dollar. I said dollar is allowed. Clear? Yeah. This is
Valid.
got it. And see, in this number can come in between, right? What about this? This is valid or not? ABC 100.
Yes.
This is
Yes.
Yes,
valid.
it's valid.
I just said it would not come in the beginning, right? And third and last, in identifier does not allow space in between. It does not allow space in between. For example, AB space CD is it is
Not valid.
not
Not
correct. I have done. Anybody have any question query? Your next diagram is ready. So I'm making nice notes for you or not?
yes, sir.
Yeah.
What about underscore?
Hey, don't remember that. Underscore can come, right? No problem.
Yeah.
So between, right? If you have two words like A, B, if you want to do something, only underscore is allowed. This is okay. Fine. This is okay.
Okay.
Got it? Underscore can come. Done. I've done. Now, next thing which I have to teach you is keywords. What? Keywords. So keywords are basically all the keywords are identified. Please mark it. What is it?
All the keywords are identifiers.
And opposite is not true.
Just 1 second.
Hello. Let me tell you what is the keywords. Tell me. Keywords are reserve words. Reserve
Words.
words. Which meaning is predefined for Nagendra, for Java compiler. Right? What is it? Let me tell you. If
It's better.
in English, who is talking in class? Please, when you are in the class, please be mute yourself and enjoy with class. Just have a tea or coffee with you. Reserve words, which meaning is predefined for Java compile. Let me tell you. Do you know meaning of it? Love, kill, hate. I'm just asking.
Yeah.
We're laughing because you were thinking I'm asking a very small thing. Yeah, I know. So actually, this meaning is predefined or not in English?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
This is called keyword for English because its meaning is. Can you change the meaning of it? Suppose you say, I want, Anna, I want to kill you, right? But
Yeah.
you say, hey, I want to kill you means I love you.
I love you.
Do you think anybody believe like that? No,
No, sir.
he will kill you
Yeah.
for this. Okay, means whatever word we have, you can't change the meaning of it, right?
Yes,
Yeah.
sir.
We can't change the meaning of it.
Meaning.
Clear?
Yeah.
But we can use it. Yes?
Yeah.
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 Similarly, in Java, there is a lot of keywords which meaning is defined for the compiler, which you can use, but you can't give your own meaning. For example, in this, you need to know what are the keywords, right? And you have to mug one more thing. Remember, keywords are always in small letter. If somebody would say in capital letter, I'll kill him. Keywords are always
Small.
in small, small. I'm writing 3 times. Why? So
Okay.
that you cannot forget it. Keywords are always in small, small, small letter. Okay, fine. For example, in this we have a keyword. Class is a keyword. Are you following me? So
Yeah.
Yes.
I'm just writing K. K means it is a keyword. Public is a keyword, right?
Yeah.
Static also.
Static is a keyword.
So actually, all the
Yeah, you're right. All the fixed word is keyword.
Okay.
Main is keyword, right?
Okay.
That's it. Apart from that, nothing is keyword in that.
Ah,
ARGS is a variable, and I told you, right? Every keyword is identifier
I,
because it is following the rule of it, right?
Okay.
yeah, yeah,
Every keyword is identifier, and opposite is not true. Opposite is not true. Means every identifier is not keyword. Every keyword is identifier and opposite is not true. Hmm?
yeah,
Confused?
Okay.
Like here, I'm just writing a aha. Aha is a identifier, right? But
Okay.
aha is not a keyword.
Okay.
This is this is an identifier.
fire,
Identifier. It is okay, right?
yeah,
But
Not a
it
keyword.
is
It's
but
not a
not
keyword.
it not a
keyword.
word.
Okay. Oh, nice. So this much is clear to everybody?
Yes.
Yeah,
Aha. Second diagram is ready. Fine. So we understand identifier, we understand the keyword. Okay. Next thing which you have to understand the data type and variable.
I'm sorry.
What?
data type.
Data types and variable. Don't worry. I'll explain in such a way so that you can understand better.
Okay.
Oh, actually, in program, if you want to do some processing, you need some data, right? So we do the processing on data. If you don't have data, you cannot do anything, right?
Yeah,
So if you see in this photo, my nice photo, right? What it is going to do is I'm going to tell you data type, data types. Clear?
yeah,
So what are data types? Data types are actually used to allocate the memory. In program, we store data in the memory. Please remember it. In program, what we do?
Located the
We
memory. Located the memory.
we store data inside memory. You know memory? RAM.
yeah,
So memory is the space where you can store the data. So if you want to store the data, you have to create the memory, and that memory we create with the help of data type, right? For example, I'm going to use the data type, some data type like I want to use integer, right? Integer, int. It
integer.
is a keyword. Then I can use character to store the letter. Then I can use double to store the float value. I can use float to store the float value, right?
Yeah,
And I can use boolean hmm, to store the true false. I'll teach you, right? All one by one. No worries. Tension. For example, A, you want to create the memory in the program. So you want to store integer type of, integer means 1, 2, 3. This is integer, right? Character means in single quotes, A, hello,
Yes.
in single
yes,
quotes, B. Double means decimal number, like this. Float means also decimal number, but it is a different size. 1 kg, 2 kg.
yeah,
Yes.
Similarly,
yeah, yeah,
double is takes more memory and float takes lesser memory. And Boolean store only true and false value, true slash false. Mhm. Now, people, non-IT people, come with me.
Yes.
See, I want to create a dabba box memory, right? And where I want to store my data 10 in this. You understand my intention?
yeah,
I want to make a box and I want to store what value? 10. So how you can say? You have to use integer keyword. See, you say, hey, my program, can you create a box? And you can give the name to this box, XX, and you can store 10. Because if you don't give the name to the memory, you cannot access it. Why we are giving name? So that we can
For the
access the
memory to access
data.
it. Yeah. Okay.
Yeah. Like here, integer X means you are creating a box which can hold what data? Integer type.
Integer.
That's why we are giving 10 here. So
yes,
what integer is saying? Integer is saying I can create a box where you can store what data?
Integer.
Integer data, right? So This is creating a box
Yeah.
for int data. Confused?
No.
And x6 is name given to the box. Otherwise, how you can access it? Suppose you have 10 box and you don't have given label to it. Do you think you can access it? 10 boxes there. You can say, again, can you bring that box? I would say, which box? You would say, I don't know. So you have to give the label, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Hmm?
Yeah.
So this is x-axis. This is name given to the memory. Instead of box, you can say memory. Got it? And what is 10? 10 is a value given to it, right? So this value you are assigning first time, right? In Dabba, you are assigning 10 first time or second time? First time.
First.
That's why called initialization. What? Initialization. Are you following me?
Yeah. Yes.
This is called initialization. And down the line, in XX, you want to assign 50. This is called assignment, assigning a value. I hope you understand the difference between initialization and assignment.
Yes.
Assigning a value. Clear? I don't know. You got this much? Data type, creation and all?
Yes, sir. We got it.
Oh, people. If you don't understand, let me know. Okay?
Okay.
Done. Now I'm going to show you the programs. Okay?
Yeah.
This session I'm recording, you'll get in tomorrow morning. Hey, see, what I want to do using this concept in program is store data in the memory. Using this concept, I'm going to make a program. Can you help me to write a program? How we do? Class keyword, remember? And name you can give anything. Hmm? Hello?
Yes.
My program name is runner. You can give any name to it, right?
Okay.
Yeah.
Plus.
And I told you program, if you want to write an email, you always say, dear sir, right? I beg to say, I don't know. You say like this.
Okay.
No?
Like,
You people don't say sir. You say, hey, can you hear me?
okay.
Especially people who goes first time, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
They talk like this. Hey Nagendra, how are you doing? Okay. Oh my God, what happened to you? Oh,
Public,
cool. Public, static.
static,
What,
void,
man?
main,
Wow.
and
Cool. Curly bracket open and close is called definition. Please remember it.
okay.
Open and close. This is called definition of the method, right? This curly bracket open and close is called definition of the class. Remember it.
Sir,
Yeah.
So here,
string is a fixed
oh my
value. So
God.
why you
Yep,
didn't?
yep, 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 yep. This you cannot omit it. Otherwise, your program will not run.
Yes, sir.
I'm going to create a two box. One is X where I'm storing 100, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
And in next line, I'm creating another variable. X and Y are variable, right?
Yeah.
Oh, nice. I haven't told you the variable. Variable identify this X and Y is called identifier. It is okay? Yeah.
Yeah.
And this is also called variable because its value can be changed.
So why
If you have
I have a
Y,
question.
Y,
Oh, sorry.
Y, it is called variable, right? X is also known as variable. Why?
Wait,
Because the X is identifier, but its value can be changed.
it can
We have
change.
100, but later you can change some other value. Variable means, let me write it. Variable means
Can change.
which which value can be changed.
Can be changed. Okay. So
Right? That is called yeah. Variable means which value we can, but variable is identifier, right?
sir, I have
But
a question.
please go ahead.
So after the line where we put like public static, did we have to put system out and print
Yeah, I'll do
the?
it. But if you want to show the data, I don't want
Oh,
to
okay,
show it,
okay.
right?
Sorry about that. I just want to know if we
See,
had.
yeah,
Yeah.
XX 100 YY, and now you want to add it. You can use plus operator. You know mathematics?
Yes.
X plus YY. You are adding 100 plus 90, and whatever result is coming, I want to store in another box result. Oh, nice. Can you see this?
Okay.
Then after
Yes.
that, somebody want to print this value as output. You can do system dot out dot println, right? You want to print the value on the console, and here you can write the result. Got it?
Yes,
So
sir.
if you run your program, output will be
190.
Thank you.
wow. This program is clear to how many people?
Yes, it's clear.
Everybody, I
But
guess.
see,
190. Yeah.
in if 190 will come like this, people will, oh my God, what 190 is what? 190 is your what?
Result.
Result.
Your body temperature. It is number of dollar. Oh my God, what is
The
this? I'm
result.
confused.
Number of
So
dollar.
when you print the result, right, you have to also add some message. So this is better. Out dot println. My dear friends, in double quotes you can write the message. Okay, result of, right, result of, or you can say sum of two number is sum of two number. This is the message. Are you following me? As it is.
Yes.
It will print
Yes.
sum of two number is, right,
Yeah.
equal. After that, after double quotes, you do the plus. Sum of the two number is, it is fixed, right?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Plus, you want to add a result. Oh, nice. Now what it will come? It will print as it is. Then it will append 190. You know what it will print on the console? Tell me which one is better, only printing result or message with result?
A message with dessert, of course.
It will show you 190. That's it. You decide which one is better to write. First format or second format.
Second.
Second format.
Second.
So I have done. Now I'm going to show you this program in the Eclipse. Ready?
Yes,
Yes.
sir.
And you just go and do this much, okay? And watch my recording. And here my other instructor is here who can help you to make some programs. He can show you some programs like this, okay? That's it. I got it. From tomorrow, be on time. Will start sharp at 7 p.m. CST. Clear? Because I have to go and sleep. That's the reason is.
Sir, how long is this class?
This class time at least daily will go for 2 hours at least, but it can go up to 2.5
Okay, sir.
at max. So we have right you to ask you to stay in the class for 2.5 hours.
Yeah.
Okay, sir.
And other thing is our depend on our mood. We can finish in 30 minutes, 1 hour, whatever.
30
It
minutes
depends
not
upon you.
enough, sir.
No worries. After some time you will feel it. Oh my God, 30 minutes is enough.
Yeah.
No worries.
Thank you, sir.
I'll
Yeah.
make that. But we have to make it fun, okay? I'm not going to make it boring anyway.
Yeah.
I hope you're enjoying, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes.
Okay. So every today agenda is speed. I can make it anytime, but I want you should go and make these programs, okay? So one program I'll make it, and other program, my other instructor, his name is Surendra, he will do for you, okay? Fine. So he is not going to teach you. Are you following me? And you
Yeah.
cannot ask any doubts. He will show you only the programs.
Yeah.
Whatever program you are making, if you're not able to do it, he can help you. But don't ask to teach anything, okay? No.
Okay,
I'm
so
an
now
instructor.
you want to do it now or
Yeah. Now he's available. But let me make this program for you. Okay. Which program? The same program which I was typing in the paint. I'm going to make over here, right?
Yeah.
Add a name you can give anything, okay? Add a. Oh, I forget to add main method. I'm crying. Control space bar, right? You would say don't cry, use shortcut. After that, you have to write integer x, and what value? 100. Then you can define another variable. Can you see this? Y, 90. Fine. Then you can store the result of it in result variable x plus, please.
Why?
Success.
Why?
Y.
Why?
Done. Okay. After that, you can print the result. What? You see my
System.
shortcut? System.out, control space bar. Otherwise, you can type it as a layman. System dot out dot, right? You have to speed up with your typing. Print Alan. And here you can say what? People. Sum of. You can write anything. Sum of. Aha. Na? Sum of two numbers
equals.
numbers are plus what? Result.
Result.
And save it and run it. Fine. Run it and see the output. Can you see this?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I have done with the class. Okay. Tomorrow I will teach you the new topic, but don't go anywhere. People, don't go anywhere, and you can just do some practice. Fine. Okay.
Yes.
So people, just want whatever we have done so far. You understand everything?
Yes.
Yes.
Thank you. Thank you for the class. I'm stopping now.
Nagendra.